Hi, friends, family, students, teachers, sisters. I am here on behalf of myself and Tropicaleiza to announce and to invite you to our full-length premiere of She, Her, Us, May 6th and 7th at the Box in Riverside. Sometimes it's just better to see the eyeballs and to hear the voice of the person who created something and who wrote the promo material than it is just to read words on a page. So I really thought that a video was the way that I could convey to you the magic of this and how important it is for me to hear from you and to invite you and to see you there. So again, it's May 6th and 7th at the Box in Riverside. Join us as we transport you to magical, mystical places in an interactive evening of compelling storytelling charged with live music and dance. You will experience, this is an experience, so you will experience a night of delectable sights and smells and sounds. Every emotion will be touched. Every sense will be activated. We will immerse you in these stories that we all have. Stories of legacy, of triumph, of victory, of hope. Stories that breathe life. These are your stories. They're my stories. They're her stories. These are stories that come from within. And they're so good. And if you've been around me, at all over the past 30 years since I've been doing this, you know I'm always telling some kind of story about some kind of thing. And then I hear, you should write a book. You should make a movie. You should do something. Well, I did it. And now it's time to weave you into the tapestry of these stories. To weave you into it reminds me. Recently, I redecorated the studio and I primered the walls. And then I told everybody, write something on the wall. Just write anything so that when I paint over it, you will be permanently ingrained in the story and you'll be permanently ingrained in the studio. That's what this is. You'll be woven into the tapestry of these stories. It's so good. And the end result is you. It's you reveling in your majesty. So this is not just any show where it's demonstrative and we've created choreography and we want you to come and sit and applaud us. Like I always say, nobody can applaud me the way I'll applaud myself. No one can applaud you the way you applaud yourself. No, this is something different. It really is. I do feel like it's my life's work. And I know artists always say things like that because we believe that the world revolves around us. I'm going to be real. But this really is my life's work. It really is. I feel like at 52 that there's a shift happening and this is the catalyst and you're a part of it. And so it's really important to me that you come. Just straight up, it's very important to me that you come. So I'm going to start rolling out the promo. So below you will see our first reel of what's happening. And, the stories were birthed in my belly. So this is the fire of my belly that I would venture to say is the fire of every woman's belly and every man, every being's belly. And so there's the stories, but we did create the choreography, we did create the music, the set design, everything that's happening, we self-produced. There's no outside entity making this happen. It's all myself and Tropicaleiza, and we are on fire. So the only ingredient left is you. That's really the last ingredient and the best ingredient. So anyways, okay. $25 before Easter, which I believe is April 17th, and $30 after. There's 2 nights, May 6th or 7th, and it's also Mother's Day weekend. So this would be a great gift. This would be a great night out. This would be a great way to just celebrate who you are and who the women in your life are. So there'll be surprises. There's just so much happening. I could go on and on and on. But we are on fire, and we want you to be a part of it. So I'll be introducing the cast as I go along. If you have any questions, please let me know. Just reply to this email, especially if you want to say, I'm coming. And all the ticket links are below, but basically Venmo, PayPal, Eventbrite. If you see me in person or any of the dancers in person, any of the cast members. So we would just love to see you there. Absolutely love to see you there. I think I'll stop there. Okay.